Good morning, traders. This is Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you for the last few weeks. The system shows you ultimate buy points. Institutional buy, November 29. Bullish trend inception, ultimate bottom. Price comes to reversal zone, market selling off. Correct? Multiple other institutional buy points in front of you. One of these played out this morning. You know all of this hours, days in advance. If I convert this chart to 5-minute chart, what do you see? This is a system. This morning, intelligent traders done this. This is our conversation with traders this morning. Intelligent trader understands the power of the market open. Boom. Richard, 4 points on S&P. No hand holding here. Richard is the leader. Have you listened to Richard podcast on our podcast channel? What has Richard done before? Before trading live? Doubled his demo. $50,000 account. You can hear it on the podcast. Took Richard 5 weeks only. Now Richard trading live. This is phenomenal work. When I work with hedge fund traders, this is what they're required to do. So if hedge fund traders trading millions and billions of someone else's money, and they required to increase their demo account, this is what strategic, intelligent human being does. Before ever touching his live money, Richard doubled $50,000 account in 5 weeks. So, Richard trading his live account this week. 6 points, 4 points S&P, 10 points live account first week after doubling $50,000 account. 10 points on S&P, $50 per point, 1 lot $500, 10 lots $5,000. Richard, how many hours did you work this week trading? Can you share? 4-hour work week. Boom. This is intelligent strategic trader. First time I ever spoke with Richard when Richard and I did podcast. So when you come to the website and you click Students Podcasts, this is a podcast with Richard, the top one. Richard has very different experience than any and every of these traders on our podcast channel. But if you look and see what other traders do, Brad, legend, had done exact same thing. Doubled his account before ever trading live. Brad, 3 points on S&P yesterday afternoon. Missed this market open. Have you seen or listened to Brad's journey? Have you? 3 podcasts with Brad. And if you look and listen to Ken is here this morning. Ken and Brad's photos on homepage. Ken also made a movie about his life and his trading. We will get an update from Ken. Ken in London trading options on Bitcoin and stocks. Ken reporting this morning NEO 3%. Ken had done exact same thing, increasing his demos significantly before trading live. Ken, what is the success rate on your trades? Last week was 149 out of 149. What is this week, please? While we're waiting for Ken to answer that question, Khalid shares 20 points this morning on Dow. 20 points on Dow, $5 a tick, 1 lot $100, 10 lots $1,000. Do the math. Ken reporting 150 for 150 trade. Only one trade this week. As Ken shares, Ken is a movie maker. He's very busy working. I cannot wait for another movie from Ken. Every single one of these traders different account. Every single one of these traders different experience. Our community of traders in 57 countries. These are the traders who are making an effort. These are the traders who are sick and tired of junk, chasing indicators, chasing cheap markets, chasing anything and everything will never work. These are the traders who only interested in quality trading. They only interested in being different, in being top 1%. This is who I raised. This is who I mentor. I don't know anything less. I do not accept anything less. So if you obey the rules with Alpha Fibonacci system, there is nothing here to do. Market stock. This is the reason we're having this conversation, because by looking at this chart you see clearly you must operate as a sniper, because if you miss your trade in current market conditions, market will be stuck for one simple reason only. Bullish rally overextended. This is where market is now, stuck. The biggest vertical rally in 40 plus years during the worst economic crisis is in front of you. Institutional traders hardly working now. Institutional traders made all the money here, 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 here. Now, price is stuck 90+% of the time because bullish rally overextended. You are tested to the core. This is the market. It's frozen. Nothing here to do. Intelligent trader understands when to walk away from the screen and when to trade. No matter what account, no matter what instrument. So as long as this continues, as long as institutions holding positions, very few gems in this market. The rest is nothing, is junk. Much more challenging markets ahead. Trader will be tested to the core. So when price is frozen and market not selling off and market not pulling back, there is nothing here to do. This is the most important moment in your trading. When to trade, when to take advantage of the most powerful formations, and when not. These are two critical moments in your trading. So if I squeeze this chart, this is Alpha Fibonacci system, showing you ultimate top and ultimate bottom. But if I take you to institutional charts, so intelligent trader basing all the decisions on institutional charts. This is institutional trend system. Everything based on these charts. 2020 bullish rally, no, 2019 bullish rally in progress. Many months in advance, intelligent trader knows where price is heading to. This is Goldman power. I know, I mentor those traders. I mentor JP Morgan traders. So when price is reaching reversal zone 2020, no one is surprised. Institutional traders moving millions and billions of dollars using this chart. So when 2020 market's selling off, no one should be surprised. Trader who is trading micro and macro account very well prepared, preserving his retirement, her long-term positions and day trading trends. Free fall in a play. Oops! No one is surprised. All the rules of Alpha Fibonacci system met. Many months in advance, Alpha Fibonacci trader knows where institutional buy points will be. And when price reaches 2200, no one should be surprised. Black Thursday, March 23rd. 2200 in a play. On the news, it's the worst Thursday in 40 years. Alpha Fibonacci trader knows. Top 1% owns news channel. Top 1% loves the panic, loves the negativity. Top 1% buying the market, not listening to the news. So when buyers step in with vengeance on blackest Thursday of 40 years, no one should be surprised. Buying ultimate bottom with institutions is ultimate way to trade. Hundreds and hundreds of trades on Nasdaq, market flying with ultimate power. Institutions acquiring and buying everything with vengeance. Dow is rallying, S&P is rallying. You don't hear that on the news. On the news, panic remains. Horror, negativity, nightmare. Not on the charts. Alpha Fibonacci system identified that many months in advance. And when bullish rally continues, more and more bullish trades in a play. But none of them as powerful as buying institutional bottom at 2200. When bullish rally continues and reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone in the month of June, market is very different. For one simple reason. 2900 respected. Buyers step in again with vengeance. There is no surprise, all precise. And that's the power of the system that shows you institutional buy and sell points. Bullish rally remains on. Key institutional buy points obeyed as of this morning, December 10th. So if you continued buying with institutions, as my incredible brilliant traders continue to do, you are intelligent, strategic, Alpha Fibonacci chess market player. Zero shorts on this institutional chart. This never gets old, I promise. There is one very big difference between the months of March versus now. but institutions not shorting this market. This continues on and on and on and on. We knew that there are no shorts in this market. Key support remains respected. But this is vicious. This is brutal. Junky chop. Market open was not. And that's what Sniper does. This is phenomenal institutional long. Market open. Massive number of trades. Plays out less than 10% of the time. The rest is junk. The rest is noise. The rest is broker's heaven. And this can remain for the next 8 hours, for the next 30, 40 hours, for the next few days. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you apply sniper's mentality. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you don't babysit junk. This junk will continue 90+% of the time, as long as institutions will continue holding their longs. And that's how my incredible traders trade every single day. Writing Goldman, JP Morgan, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, institutional train. And that's S&P since 2019 to December 10, 2020 in front of you with Alpha Fibonacci system. So when Jason decides to trade silver and gold, no one is surprised. Every single one of these traders, different experience, different account, different everything. Some of these traders trading micro account. Some of these traders trading multi-million, multi-billion dollar account. It's absolutely your personal business what instrument, what account you decide to trade. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to it all. I have no idea what Neo is. Ken does. It's Ken's personal business. What account, what instrument he trades. It's Jason's personal business, so is Khalid's. Every trader, different instrument. System applies to it all. So what is the success rate on your account? Boom! Ken! 150 trades, 150 wins. Incredible, phenomenal work. Ken tripled his account. Ken, I cannot wait for another podcast. And all of this during quarantine. Correct? This is stunning, incredible work. It's not all me. It's Ken with me, with Bitcoin. As Brad shares, super people exist here. As Richard says, all thanks to you. No, it's not all thanks to me. It's Richard and me. And S&P and Dow and Richard's effort. 2021, I'm traveling the world meeting my students. I cannot wait to meet Ken in London. I already met Brad in New York. I look forward meeting Jason in Colorado, Richard in Dallas. This means the world. My students become my dearest friends for life. Trading with spectacular, incredible results and effort. So when Jason reports 92% and Ken reports 100, no one should be surprised. Brad being quiet. This is what Brett sent for the month of November. Another 100% performance. Boom. These are the worst market conditions, traders. Do you understand that? Do you? Melvin this morning is being quiet. But when Melvin shares this, it means the world. His search is done when he found Fibonacci Trading Institute. And if I helped Mel to improve his quality of life, that's the reason I love what I do. But we dive even deeper and deeper and deeper. So when I received this email from Steve, who is taking time off for vacation, what do we discuss? Health. Look at results of Steve's health. Before Steve came to the course, his cholesterol was 256. Shocker. Look at that. Few months later, he's at 187. And the worst cholesterol of LDL at 163 dropped to 109. What does Steve do? Steve treats his life as top 1% does. He puts his health first. Because health is wealth. Healthier you are, better your trading will be. Correct? As market remains stuck. So Melvin reports 52 ticks on gold yesterday. Boom. Melvin is quiet this morning. Of course. He had spectacular trade yesterday morning. He killed it. 52 ticks on gold, $10 per tick, one lot $520, 10 lots $5,200, 20 lots $10,400. It's his choice what account size he trades. Because if you can trade one lot, you can trade any lot size. One lot is the hardest lot size to trade. This is how my incredible traders inspiring each other. This is positive, powerful community that puts health first, discipline second, and phenomenal effort. And with notes on the computer, with genius strategy I developed, with inspiration from other traders, as Joseph shares, we're so blessed. Every single morning is a gift being here. I love what I do because of stories and journeys of my traders. What I share with you is exact same strategy I teach to hedge fund manager in Saudi Arabia, to JP Morgan trader. So if you are not taking advantage of joining us yet, you are making a huge mistake. Everything changes in 2021. Everything. Get ready. So as long as institutions will continue holding their positions, market will be brutal and brutal and brutal and will get much worse. You will need to choose your gems very, very carefully. So my students continue showing this incredible performance in this spectacular market. What is stopping you? Tell me. Thousands and thousands of emails later. And here's my dearest student in Saudi Arabia with whom I'm meeting this year. What does he say? found Fibonacci Trading Institute after trying for 15 years, losing $30,000. He much more than doubled his account. And that's what means the world. Mustafa signed up for the rest of his life for everything I've ever developed. So when 14-year-old boy can do this, what is stopping you? Dominic knows what he will do for the rest of his life. While his father Andy, who is hedge fund manager in London, bring his son to the course. That's the reason I love what I do. So if you don't sign up right now, you're making a huge mistake. So if you're not signing up right now, you're making a huge mistake. Savings up to $3,000 for each package. As Ken shares, genius strategy, lifetime system for any platform, or lifetime software for Ninja 8. All the fees going up significantly January 1st. Videos, modules included, private mentoring for months. Within a couple of lessons, I teach you multi-million-dollar strategy. I had mentoring session last week with a trader who is already in a trade, multiple trades. So, all depends on your experience. What I teach you is priceless. All I'm asking you, make an effort. Last chance to sign up at the current price. Everything changes January 1st. I teach you priceless strategies. Any questions? Listen and view students' performance. Any questions for me? Simply call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. I look forward working with you.